returning viewers, thank you for coming back to your girl's channel. And to my newbies, welcome home, sis. Welcome home. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss what I gotta say. I be saying some pretty good stuff, some dope things, you know. I try to be a little cool. That was so lame. But anyways, I am going to do a quick sew-in wig and show you guys how I do that. I'm making this wig for my sister, and I'm gonna use this dome cap, and this was $1.99 from the hair store. You know, the typical sewing needle thread, and the hair she purchased was this Sensational Natural Yaki in the color natural, and it's a 6-piece with a free closure, which I'm not gonna use this closure, but it has 18-inch, what else? 16 inch and 14 inches, and it is a Malaysian version Remy. It says light and sleek. It is Sensational. Sensational is one of the higher quality store brand bundle sets or extensions, so it's really decent hair. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this hair was maybe $120 for the pack, $140, $150, and she got it on sale for something, I don't remember. But anyways, they sell it online. It says bare and natural on the back. I've used Sensational before, and of course it says you can bleach, multi-dye, and perm this hair and curl it and what have you. Yeah, so that's the hair. And then we're going to be using this closure from Outre, laid and slayed lace closure. It says 100% unprocessed bundled hair. It is a 4x4 natural straight in a 10-inch. So I'm going to be using this closure. I'm going to take it off because I will be applying the closure first for this unit. It can also be most colored and all that good stuff, but this is the closure. It's really soft hair. Seems like it's pretty good. Outre is a decent brand. It says pre-plucked, but it looks like I will have to do some plucking. The closure is a little dark. She's a little bit darker than me, so it probably will work for her. We're not going to be bleaching any knots. It looks like the knots needs to be bleached, but I'm not going to. She's going to have to wear it like it is, but I will pluck it a little bit because it looks like it needs to be plucked. But other than that, if you guys are still interested in how I make this unit, stay tuned, keep watching, and give your girls a thumbs up if you see anything.
So this wig did come with baby hairs, the longer ones, and I'm gonna fix those later once you put on the wig. But I'm sorry, at this point I didn't realize my camera had tilted a little bit, so you can't see the top of the wig. But what I'm just doing is going over it with the hot comb and just flatten it out the top, and then I do end up plucking a little bit from the front on the right side and the middle part. But like I said, because this isn't my wig, I wanted to finish it up once she try it on and decipher how much of the front, the closure she wants me to pluck out, because some people don't like it all, you know, plucked as much as I do. But yeah, this hair is really nice. I really enjoyed making this wig. Making wigs are therapeutic for me, so I didn't really do too much talking in tutorial style, but I just wanted you guys to see me making it. And if you have any questions, of course, feel free to ask and leave comments below what you think. That spray I used was the Sebastian, just a light holding spray. I love the smell of it, so I really sprayed it to get rid of any frizzies up at the top, and also to give the hair a little scent.
So we're gonna try the wig on. This is what it looks like on the inside. I've already plucked a little bit, and I'm gonna finish doing it when I put it on her head. So let's see. And it's very tight because I'm good at what I do. See, it comes here, comes down here, comes all the way to the back. So of course we're gonna cut this part out. Two.